Hi guys, we are working on C4 Picasso. One of our friends reported to us it's making noise. We removed the cover. As you see, it was chewing the belt. That's a cam belt. It's nearly popping out. So we cannot see the water pump, but the noise he's describing is a noise of metal. It's a water pump. It's definitely water pump start moving. The bearing's gone and pushing the belt forward towards this cover. This cover was holding the belt in the place. As you see, it's groove here. That's a groove here. So if the cover wasn't there, this belt would be out now. That's it. So have a nice day. Bye bye.